Hey guys, what is up? It has been a hot sec since I've showed up on this channel, partially because I've been trying to apply to colleges and it's been really stressful and hectic, but I finally got the time to film this video, so I decided because it is fall, it is the perfect time to create a little cute style guide for all those cute casual outfits that you can kind of just like throw together and just, you know, walk around and feel very fallish. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first combination is a crop sweater, dress, and boots. I have tried this with many of my different sweaters and dresses and they all look freaking adorable. This just happens to be my favorite one, so I've got like a pink top and a polka dot dress with some boots. It's so cute. Alright, the next pair is a shorter skirt, long sleeve, and knee-high socks. I did omit the knee-high socks in this demonstration because it was kind of warm outside, but if it is a colder day, the knee-high socks will look really cute with this outfit. Alright, for our third combination, we have a crop top, mom jeans, and denim jacket, or a cardigan, whichever works. I really like to tie one of these like mini scarf things around my ponytail because I feel like it just adds something to the ponytail, and this is blue, but if you have something that's like yellow or orange, I feel like that would look so fallish. But yeah, I just like combining all of these. It makes me feel a little more mature than my actual age, but I think it's pretty cozy, especially if you just have a cardigan. That would look adorable as well. Okay, so for our fourth combo, and this is like a big mouthful, we have a white shirt, straight leg jeans, a cute belt, and a cardigan. I really like to put a belt around my jeans. This is just like something that I'm tying on, but I feel like a black belt would look so adorable. And I like tucking my white shirt just into the jeans and putting on a cardigan. And I have a pink cardigan, and I think this color just is so fall-ish, but honestly, any color cardigan you have will do. And yes, I know these are not actually straight leg jeans, but I like to pretend they are. Anyways, I feel like this outfit is pretty aesthetic. Alright you guys, so that was it for this video. I just want to say I'm so sorry that I haven't been able to do like the weekly video thing just because I've been so stressed out with applications. Hopefully once I'm done with that, you know, I can start doing YouTube more on a regular basis. Anyways, if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe and like this video, of course. Keep me posted in the comments. How are you doing? How's your life? Okay, see you guys soon.